Most people type a question into ChatGPT, get an answer, and close the tab. That's it. But here's what almost nobody realizes. The way you ask changes everything, like dramatically. Someone asked ChatGPT to write a professional email, got something stiff and forgettable. Then they added 7 words, write it the way I actually talk. Completely different result. Warmer, real, actually usable. That one shift saved them 30 minutes of editing. And that's just the beginning. Before you type anything important, tell ChatGPT who to be. Not in a weird way, just give it a role. Something like, you're a plain English writing coach helping someone with no marketing background. Now it knows how to pitch its answers. Without that, it guesses. And it usually guesses too formal, too technical, or just off. Think of it like hiring a contractor. If you just say, fix my house, you get whatever they decide. If you say, fix my leaky kitchen sink, I'm on a tight budget, keep it simple. Now they can actually help you. This works for almost anything. Planning a trip? Act as a local travel guide who knows hidden gems. Writing a tricky email? Act as a professional mediator who keeps things calm. The prompt? That's just what you type into ChatGPT. Gets 10 times more useful when you set the scene first. Takes 5 extra seconds, worth every one of them. ChatGPT's first answer is a draft, not the final version. Most people don't know they can just keep going. Say, make it shorter. Say, make it sound less corporate. Say, can you punch up the opening? It responds like a collaborator, not a vending machine. This is where free ChatGPT, no subscription needed, genuinely earns its keep. You're not locked into one result. You can push and pull until it actually sounds like something you'd send, or say, or post. Here's a move that saves a ton of time. Paste in something you already wrote and say, rewrite this but keep my voice. ChatGPT will preserve what makes it yours while cleaning up the messy parts. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future posts one of these every single day. One tweak, then keep going. Say, now make it 20% shorter and watch it tighten up immediately. Okay, so this one sounds small, but it's weirdly powerful. Instead of asking ChatGPT to write something from scratch, give it your messy notes first. Just dump them in. Half sentences, random thoughts, stuff out of order. Then say, turn this into something coherent. It's faster than outlining, faster than staring at a blank page, and the output actually reflects what you were trying to say, because you gave it your raw material instead of asking it to invent from nothing. Same thing works in reverse. Got a long article or report you need to understand fast? Paste it in and say, summarize this like you're explaining it to someone who's never heard of this topic before. Suddenly, a 12-page document becomes 5 sentences you can actually use. That's not lazy. That's working smart. Knowing what matters before you spend an hour reading something that might not even be relevant? That's just good use of your time. If there's one thing to walk away with from all of this, it's that ChatGPT rewards specificity. The more context you give it, who you are, what you need, how you want it to sound, the better the output gets. Vague in, vague out. Specific in, actually useful out. Start small. Try one of these today. You'll feel the difference immediately. Tomorrow's video is one people have been asking about for a while. It's the ChatGPT prompt that writes your bio, your caption, or your pitch in about 60 seconds flat. Worth sticking around for. And if this video helped at all, a like goes a long way for a channel like this one. Genuinely appreciate it.